Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. In this video I'd like to show you how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. Now let's get started. As you can see on the screen, I already have my web browser opened. So what I'm going to do now is to go to Zoom website. So I'm going to type zoom.us. I'm going to press enter. So here I have Zoom website, and then what I'm going to do here is to either sign in. So I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account on Zoom, what you need to do is to click on sign up and create an account for yourself. So since I already have an account, so I'm going to click on sign in here. So here I'm going to type in my email address, and I'm going to type my password. I'm going to click on sign in. Then I'm logging. This is my profile. This is my Zoom account. So as you can see on the screen, I already have this option, schedule a meeting. And better still, I can come to this side. I can click on meetings and then click on schedule a meeting here. So what I'm going to do now is to click on schedule a meeting. So I'm going to schedule a meeting. Here I have a topic for my meeting. So I'm going to type online meeting. And then here description is optional. You can either type something here or you leave it blank. So I'm going to type online meeting here too. And when is the meeting taking place, I need to specify the date and the time. So I'm going to select tomorrow, Friday 38th of July, and I'm going to, the meeting is going to hold by 2 p.m. and I'm going to put the meeting duration. So it's a 30-minute meeting, so I'm going to click on 30. And then as you can see, I have this message here because I'm using Zoom basic plan for this video. That's why you can see this message on my screen. So I'm going to select the time zone. The time zone is London. And is this meeting going to be a recurring meeting? Is it a meeting that will be coming up on daily or weekly basis? No, it's not a recurring meeting. So I'm going to uncheck this. And here I can decide to generate my meeting ID. Automatically I can allow Zoom to do this for me. Or better still, I can decide to use this. But what is important for you to do is to have your meeting ID. It's very important. You can decide to use your personal meeting ID. Here I'm going to use my personal meeting ID. And also the passcode is required for security purpose. So here I'm going to set my passcode as welcome 20. And also you can choose to enable waiting room. If you enable this feature on your meeting schedule, this is what is going to happen. User will have to wait for you to admit them into the meeting. That is, if they try to join the meeting without you admitting them, they are going to be in the waiting room. So this will keep them waiting for a while. So you can either enable this feature or disable it from here. So what I'm going to do is to uncheck this. And the next thing I'm going to do, as the host, I can choose to on my video once I start the meeting. So I'm going to click on video, and as for the participant, I can ask them also to on their video immediately join the meeting. So I can just click on. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to meeting option. Under the meeting option, I have this message, allow participant to join at any time. So if you check this option, this means user will be able to join this meeting outside your scheduled date and time. So which I'm not going to allow. So I'm not going to check this. So as you can see, I have this second option too, mute participant upon entry. So this one is very good to mute participant once they join the meeting, so that the background noise coming from their end will not affect your meeting. So you can also click on automatically record meeting on the local computer. That's if you want to record this meeting. So you can check this if you want to record the meeting. And also if you want to approve or block entry from user from specific country or region, you can check this also. So once you have done all this, the next thing you need to do is to click on save. So just click on save, and then you wait for this to save. Now our meeting has been scheduled. As you can see, this is the time, and then here I have the invitation. So what you need to do is to copy the invitation. You click on copy invitation. You can just click on copy invitation, and then you can set this invitation to the participant via your email address. Just click on copy, and then you close this. Then you can send this invitation to any of your people. I mean, people that you are inviting to this meeting, you can just send invitation to them. So this is how you can schedule a meeting on Zoom. Once again, I want to appreciate you for joining us today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day.